Alright, so welcome back everyone. This is the lecture on installing the Tor browser on Kali Linux, and this is something which we'll be using every now and then as an ethical hacker. Of course, if you are just a user who wanna just make use of dark web for education purpose or for your for your real work, in fact, or ethical work in a way. So, but remember one thing very clearly. When you install on Kali Linux, you need to be sure that you're making all your weapons, all your tools just on single place. But if you want to make use of Tor browsers to access the .onion sites for grabbing some information to exploring it, it's okay to use it on your actual system, maybe your laptop or desktop or whatever it is. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing that we'll do is, first of all, we'll have to jump into our Kali machine, and here it is. I'll open my VMware and let's go to our Kali machine over here, and let's first clear this syntax. Okay, and the first thing that you will have to start is, whenever you install any packages, make a habit of, oh yeah, it's already there, sudo apt update, right? And remember one thing, I'm not sure if you have covered the ethical hacking course that's available for free at this moment. Some part of it available for free at this moment, and wherein you can get the idea. There are, by default, there has been a major changes in Kali 2020, wherein the default user privilege is normal user. It's not root anymore. Okay, the default privileges, if you even log into a Kali machine, you have to make use of Kali as a user, not root as a user. So it's made it by default because there are some application which has to be run by normal users, so that the access privileges or the root privileges should not be given to the standard application for avoiding any misuse of application, right? So once you upgrade, you have to once you upgrade and update your existing packages. All right, so I hope you understand, when you upgrade, you're looking for updated packages. When you upgrade, you look for new packages. When you update, you look for update for your existing packages, maybe a new revision number to it, right? So once it is done, then you have to make use of command to download the Tor browser. For this, you can make use of sudo apt install Tor, and then Tor, oh yeah, so Tor browser -launcher, right? So once you do that, it get installed on your machine. Why is the response? Because it's already installed. When you have an application already installed and you're trying to install it anyway, it will give you a similar prompt and may ask you, are you interested to remove it? Of course not. So once you do that, it get installed, and once it is installed, you can launch it by calling it Tor browser launcher. Okay, once you hit enter, it will open up Tor browser, and you should see the Tor browser any moment of a time. Oh, it's already there and running in the back end. Okay, wonderful. If you want, I can close it, and let's do it so that you can get to see you seeing the prompt saying that it's connecting to the internet, connecting to the node as well. Similar context, I can try to access to Google again, and we'll get to see which path we are following. You remember earlier we have tried using the Windows. We installed the Tor browser on Windows, and we got to see Dutch as our exit point. Even for our Kali machine, which is running over our host operating system, which is Windows, and then we have our VMware and then Kali, sure, still have Dutch as our exit, right? So let's close it. So this time, oh, it looks like exactly same route, because my public IP, the external public IP address might be same. So that's the reason it is taking the same path even on my Kali machine. So it goes from my Kali machine to Germany, and from there it goes to France, Switzerland, and Google. You can opt for a new circuit altogether, and see, it has been changed from Germany to France to Germany. You can even change it a bit more, Germany to Italy to Switzerland, you know. So you can change your circuit the way you want it, but it hardly really matters, right? It just for curiosity, if you want to see how that works and how much you can, you know, make it flexible, you can explore that. So this is all about installing the Tor browser on Kali. It is as simple as we have done it in Windows. It's just that we have to make use of some CLI inspired of those click stuff, right? I hope you enjoyed this lecture. We'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.